All right, how about this one, Will? I bet you haven't seen this before. If you've seen this before, you're really gonna surprise me. Did you know there are some rabbits that only walk on two legs, their front two legs? Don't tell me you knew this or what
No,
you
I didn't.
okay. Thank goodness. You know what this
Wow, look at the eyes on this
well, actually that's a bit
rabbit over here.
actually that's a bit rude, Will, because actually
Discrimination.
well kind of because what you're looking at
What?
well what you're looking at here is a rabbit that actually has a type of genetic mutation.
Oh,
And so their signals are not firing correctly because of that mutation. And so the
oh,
back legs don't really work that well. And they actually, if they're at a really slow speed, they will walk on all four legs. But when they really got to go and the back legs aren't responding the way they should, they hop up on the front two and they're actually a bit quicker like that.
oh, wow.
But however, alongside this particular mutation is also a higher likelihood of eye problems and blindness.
Wow.
Yeah. So
Sorry, rabbit. I apologize.
tricks are for kids.
Yeah,
How did that go?
definitely.
Sorry, no, sorry, kids. No, sorry. Yeah, sorry, rabbit. Tricks are for kids. I don't.
Sure,
You
yeah.
just said sorry, rabbit. I don't. Anyway,
Wow, what a throwback. I totally forgot about that.
that was like a breakfast cereal.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, maybe they still make it. I don't know what it was. I can't remember. Anyway, so you see some examples of how this works, and believe it or not, there's actually a video down here, so you can see it in action. It's kind of crazy to see, especially it's the front legs and not the back legs. Check this out. Bang. And surprisingly balanced at doing it. Well, it would be like you walking on your hands, basically,
Yeah.
as your default way of movement. And it's just, I mean, it's kind of impressive coordination, but yeah, it is because the back legs are just not really functioning as they normally would be. Now, the reason that these are still around, and I actually went down to the comment section and it got kind of interesting because people were like, wait a sec, wouldn't these rabbits just be picked off by the predators?
Mm-hmm.
Because they're
Yeah,
kind of
they're
pretty
not
slow.
very agile.
I don't know if you see, do you have the rabbits in your neighborhood? You see them time to time?
Yeah, sometimes during
Yeah.
the summer
Yeah.
at night.
So what we in our neighborhood is like tremendous rabbit activity.
Oh.
And every so often you'll spook one and you don't even see it, but you spook it and that they can fly at times.
Uh-huh.
And you know, they got that built in because it's all kinds of things want to eat them. It could be a coyote. I don't know, maybe even a big bird is looking for that.
Yep.
So you start thinking, well, how are these ones still kicking around? And the truth is they're kicking around because the scientists got a hold of them and they want to study it. And so they keep them to a certain extent to do the genetic analysis and figure things out. So they still exist from that perspective.
Cool.
So anyway, but like, I mean, hey, they move around, you know?
Mm-hmm.
They sometimes you see the dogs will lose a limb or something and they get the wheels or something and they got a big happy face and their tail's wagging.
Yep.
And they move on with it.
Mm-hmm.
And they make the best of it.
They have a good time.
That's cool.